Hi there, I'm Mel, and today I'm going to be reviewing these step solar lights. So the solar lights come in this box, really nice and neatly compactly packed. It's got plugs in order to actually screw them into the ground or the side of the staircase. It's got these brackets. You don't have to screw them in if you don't want to. You've got self-adhesive pads. You've got the instruction manual, and then you've got 4 lamps. You've got 2 in that one and 2 in that one. When you open the packet, you'll see there's the solar panel, there's the lamp, and then you've got this button here that you press before you put it out in the sun to charge. And when it's really stood up, it's off. Click it on to turn it on, and then charge it for a few hours before it lights up at night. So the solar lights have been charging in the sun. Look how bright they are. Really fabulous. I've got steps in the front of my house. You can see that they make a really nice light up. There's my cat. And from there as well, the top. Makes it much easier to see.